Stop building chatbots and start shipping autonomous AI agents. Welcome to the Hands-On AI Agent Mastery course, a 30-day program designed to take you from a beginner to building production-grade agents using LangChain, Crew AI, and LangGraph. Calling an LLM API isn't the same as building an agent. Most AI courses stop at a clever prompt, but real engineering involves managing state, memory, and multi-step tool use, while preparing for the reality of failure, drift, and production scale. Agentic AI is quickly becoming a required skill for senior engineering roles. While some engineers choose to wait, others are already architecting autonomous systems, moving beyond simple prompt tuning to own the entire orchestration stack. This is our solution, a 30-day, hands-on coding intensive. You will build over 15 distinct agents across 4 modules, moving from single-agent fundamentals to complex enterprise deployment pipelines. You'll build 4 flagship systems, including a research agent that cites its sources, a budget-aware travel planner, and a collaborative trio of coding agents. By the end, you'll have a custom capstone project ready for your portfolio. This course is built differently. We focus on daily hands-on coding, framework-agnostic principles, and a deep dive into system design, ensuring you learn to handle the hard problems like infinite loop prevention and agent testing from day one. We don't just build agents, we build them for the enterprise. Security and compliance are woven into every lesson, covering encryption, access control, prompt injection defense, and automated audit trails. Every agent in this course is built on 4 pillars: core architecture, tool integration, multi-agent coordination, and production engineering. This provides you with a robust mental model for any system you tackle in the future. Our 30-day roadmap takes you from architecture and hardening in week 1, through runtime and monitoring in week 2, into complex multi-agent coordination in week 3, and finally, platform engineering and resilience in week 4. This course is designed for any engineer or manager working with AI, from software developers and DevOps engineers to QA and system architects who need the practical depth to build or lead AI-integrated platforms. To get started, you'll need intermediate Python skills, basic familiarity with REST APIs, and a standard code editor. You don't need any prior AI expertise, heavy math, or expensive cloud infrastructure to begin. By the end of this journey, you'll walk away with 5 enterprise-grade agent systems, mastery of LLMOPs, a professional portfolio, and the practical capability to step into senior AI engineering roles. You'll also earn recognized certifications from industry leaders like OpenAI, Anthropic, and top vector database providers, providing you with verifiable, career-ready proof of your work. To recap, in just 30 days and 4 modules, you will master 3 frameworks and build over 15 agents, resulting in 5 complete enterprise systems that prove your mastery. Start building agents that actually ship. Visit the curriculum page at aimastery.substack.com/p/curriculum to begin your path to becoming an AI agent master today.